All right, we are not working on the house right now. As you can see behind me, we have a trailer load of junk. We are actually clearing off all these fence rows. This is a lease place we just got, belongs to my neighbor. He's not running cattle anymore, he's retired. He just used this for hay. So we're gonna take it and clean it all up, and we're gonna start raising meat goats and sheep. I know we're gonna catch a lot of flack from a lot of people that think you shouldn't eat goats and you shouldn't eat sheep, or hey, it is what it is. That's what we're doing. We're to the point now we're gonna start making this farm actually profitable. We're working on it. I've raised goats in the past. When I was in Texas, we were set up for meat goats there. There's a huge market for it. I wasn't sure if there was a big enough market to support it where I'm at now, but there is. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We have a lot of work to do. You can see we have a lot of fence. This fence hasn't really been kept up in several years. It's covered in cedars. You can see where we're cutting all these down now. Down the fence row, it's, yeah, a lot of work, but you can see how much we've done so far. So that's the new project around here. We're still working on the house. We're still clearing off and fencing around the house, and yes, we're still building the barn. We're gonna go pretty soon and look at a sawmill. The house has to get finished before we can start any other big building projects, but this part we need to get going on now. So we're spending a couple days a week out here working on this place, and the rest of the time I'm working on the house. So we're gonna get back at it, see if we can get some more of this fence row done before lunchtime.
Yeah, you have to be careful. There's barbed wire. That's why you have gloves on.
Oh. I don't want to be touched by barbed wire.
faster car. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
You can see we're making pretty good progress. Everybody pitching in to help. It's a lot easier than doing all this by myself. But I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind. But you can see we made it all the way down to here. Of course, you can see our big livestock guardian dog. So we've got about, we finished this section, be roughly, I don't know, 800 feet or so. We only have about 1.5 miles, 2 miles left to go. It's not going to happen today though, that's for sure. Show y'all what happens when you go out of town around here. I had to leave and go out of town yesterday. Was only gone for a day, just not overnight, just the day. And I came home and this is what we had. We have 6 baby turkeys and 2 more speckled Sussex, which is something we don't have around here. I've never had them, but apparently we need them. So I don't mind having the turkeys. They're a little disappointed that they're broad-breasted white turkeys, so they're not going to be turkey pets. They'll end up being turkey food, but that works too. I've always wanted some turkeys around here, but it looks like now we have some. I have a broody hen, and I want to try and see if she'll adopt them. We've done that here several times with chickens, but never done it with turkeys. Here she is. You can't make her get out of here. I actually put a turkey under her last night, and she stayed with it all night, but you know, it was at nighttime. I try putting her out here. She keeps jumping up. She wants to be back in this nest box. Put her outside. I don't care where you put her. She goes right back in there. So it may take a few days, but maybe she'll warm up to them and she can raise them. We can turn this heat lamp off.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what